Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a gift card order on Amazon. This can be really helpful if you've ordered the wrong amount or changed your mind before the card gets delivered. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your recent purchases and transactions. Now, I don't currently have any gift card orders to show you, but I'll guide you through exactly what you need to do next. Once you're on the orders page, scroll through your order list and locate the specific gift card order you want to cancel. It's important to note that the order typically needs to be pending or not yet delivered for the cancellation option to be available. If the gift card has already been sent or processed, you may not see the cancellation button at all. When you find the gift card order, look for a button that says Cancel Items or Cancel Order next to it. This is your main cancellation button for eligible orders, so click on it to proceed. If your order contains multiple items, Amazon will show you a selection screen. Make sure you select the correct gift card item you want to cancel. This step is crucial because you don't want to accidentally cancel the wrong purchase if you've ordered multiple things. Next, Amazon may ask you to provide a reason for the cancellation. If a cancellation box appears, type in your reason. Some pages might also show a confirmation prompt that says something like, "Yes, cancel gift card order." This is Amazon's way of making sure you really want to go through with the cancellation. After you've entered your reason, look for a button that says Confirm Cancellation or Yes, Cancel Gift Card Order, and click it to finalize the process. If you notice that this button is missing or appears grayed out, it likely means the gift card has already been sent and is no longer eligible for cancellation. In that case, you may need to contact Amazon customer service for further assistance. Finally, go back to your order details page and check for a cancellation or refund confirmation. Amazon generally processes refunds fairly quickly after a successful cancellation, so you should see the confirmation appear within a few moments. This ensures that your cancellation went through and that you'll receive your money back. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.